Hello and welcome to Come Read With Me, where we take one topic from the newspaper and break it down into a 3-minute explainer. Today's topic is from the Indian Express newspaper, so come read with me. The topic is INSV Kaundinya, Navy staged ship, completes 17-day time travel. Retracting ancient maritime routes, crew completes the arduous voyage of Muscat and Scripps history. See, India built a special wooden ship called INSV Kaundinya, and that looks and works like ships from 1500 years ago, and it does not use engines on modern machines. It runs only on wind, which is like it sails, and oars, just like ancient times. This ship sails from Porbandar, Gujarat to Muscat, Oman in 17 days, following the same sea route that ancient Indian traders once used. The goal was to prove that Indians long ago were excellent sailors and traders, not afraid of the sea. And the ship was made using traditional Indian techniques: wooden planks, coconut rope, cotton sails without nails or metals. Historians and naval officers were part of the journey, and they said that this voyage helped them understand how ancient mariners crossed the oceans. And the journey also celebrates the 5,000 year old trade and cultural links between India and Oman. Alright, now let us look at some facts. See, land Ahoy cheering a crew and as they sighted land on Wednesday, the stitched ship Indian Navy sailing vessel INS Kaundinya sailed into Muscat port Sultan Qaboos and into the history books, completing its maiden voyage and retracting ancient maritime routes from being tailed by the flotilla in Indian fishing vessels near Sir Creek, spotting mahi mahi dolphins, reading spy thrillers and maritime history books, witnessing bioluminescence scents, and dark night, eating thepla with mango pickle for breakfast when fresh rations ran out, to battling heavy rolling at 40-degree angles and period of lull when the winds died. The crew completed the arduous voyage in 17 days and scripted the history. So this topic becomes highly relevant in UPSC for GS paper 1, which is history and culture, for GS paper 2, which is international relations, and for GS paper 3, science and technology, also for GS paper 4, which is ethics and values. So this voyage proves that India was global trading and naval power in ancient times, and today India is proudly reconnected with that legacy. And that is it for today. Thank you for watching.